Start. Mr. Mustafa Tanveer, Senior Superintendent of Police, has appeared along with other officials. A joint report by him and the Deputy Commissioner has been submitted and it has been placed on record. He has stated that hectic efforts are being made to trace the main accused involved in the storming of the High Court, and it was in this regard that the chambers of some lawyers were visited. He and the Deputy Commissioner have assured that while no stone would be left unturned to apprehend the culprits involved in the grave incident, harassment would not be caused to other law abiding liars. They have stated that a joint investigation team headed by a senior officer is being constituted. They have further stated that in case of any doubt, assistance will be sought from the respective bars, Islamabad District Bar or the Islamabad High Court Bar, as the case may be. The President of the Islamabad District Bar and the Islamabad High Court Bar Association were informed and they were asked to assist this court in the case in hand so that no innocent lawyer faces harassment during the course of the investigations. The bars are definitely committed to upholding the dignity of one of the most noble professions, and they have condemned those who had did this kind of act. This court therefore has no doubt that both the bars will identify the liars involved in this heinous crime because they are known to them. The harassment to innocent and unconcerned liars could have been avoided if the police officials and the other assistant sought the assistance of the office bearers of the bars in case of doubt. The JIT is therefore expected to conduct the investigations in a professional and transparent manner. It may seek assistance of the bars in identifying the liars involved in the incident. This court has no doubt that the bars would provide the details of all those who had done this institution that they are committed to guard and who are responsible for this kind of act. The bars surely have a resolve to take the matter to logical conclusion. In response to the query, it was informed that the two respective presidents could not attend the hearing because they intended to lead a march of liars to the D Chowk.